Çetin Lodi, a peddler living in Turkey's Batman province since 1990, has authored 4 poetry books that focus on his experiences of working in the streets for over 3 decades. Lodi took classes in the Kurdish Language Research and Development Association for 2 years before he was able to write his poems in Kurdish, which is his mother language. Working as a peddler and writing 4 books at the same time over a 30-year period has not been an easy task. He wakes up at 9 AM for his work and starts his daily routine on the streets till late in the evening, selling his wares. I can begin working at night, around 11 PM, when I finally get home and am ready to write. I generally write until 4 AM in the morning. This is the only time I have to be able to write my poems, so I generally have 5 hours of sleep a day, he said. After having published his 3rd poetry book, Food of the Dead, he authored a novel, Love and Death, which has been available from bookstores since February this year. In Love and Death, he writes about Turkey during the 1990s, and the events in the novel revolve around the stories of forced evacuations of the villages, forced disappearances and unsolved murders that were common due to the politics of the Turkish state against Kurds. I witnessed every day people's lives, pain, joy and the culture of Kurds all through those years, and I'm trying to tell their stories, he said.